When we select a chart in Excel 2016, the Chart Tools menu appears in the ribbon. It consists of two tabs, Design and Format. The Design tab contains various preset styles that we can choose from. Some of them are even nice looking. However, most professionals customize their own charts. We will learn how to do that in our next lesson. The Add Chart Element button that we have on the left provides us with a number of options. We can choose to add a chart title, data labels, a legend, a trend line, and much more. Let's say that I would like to add an axis title to our chart. I'll click here and then select the primary vertical title, which would allow me to write the unit of measurement of our chart. In this case, it shows euro in million. Okay, perfect. Focusing our attention to the right, there are a few more buttons that we have to explore. Switch rows and columns allows us to swap the data over the axis. The data that is being charted on the x-axis will move to the y-axis, and vice versa, while Select Data will serve as a function for changing the data range included in the chart. For example, I can choose to modify the chart in a way that it will display other revenues. I'll select the series of data and click on Edit, which enables me to select the new data. Then, once we've done that, we can also change the labels of the horizontal axis. I'll simply select the years that are referring to the data that we have in our chart. Both of these commands, Switch Rows and Columns and Select Data, are also accessible through a right mouse click over the chart. The Format tab contains many commands that will modify the chart's appearance. A large part of these commands can also be found through a right click and accessing the Format Chart Area menu or the Format Area menu, depending on which part of the chart we've clicked. We will learn how these commands function in our next lesson. Thanks for watching.